All right, welcome back. We're doing another episode of Moving and Grooving. We're targeting the whole body in 20 minutes. The arms, the legs, back, glutes, of course. But if you're having problems with losing weight, you're at a standstill, try my 8 juices that I did when I was losing weight. I lost 60 pounds. I kept it off. All you have to do is click the link to download the 8 juices that I use to help me lose weight and keep it off. All right, before we get started, we're going to go ahead and warm up. But let me go ahead and do the timer. Okay, we got 20 minutes, okay? Full body, but first we're gonna warm up. Just loosening up our arms, our shoulders, doing some small circles forward. All right, we're gonna keep it going. We're gonna go back. Small circles. All right, remember we're gonna have fun. We're getting fit and fine without wasting time, okay? All right, forward, big circles. All right, just loosening up the body, okay? All right, now we're gonna bring the circles back, big circles. Okay, now we're gonna start twisting. All right, we're just twisting the core, waking those abs up. All right, as you're doing it, make sure you're sucking your stomach in. All right, now we're gonna just do some reaching. All right. All right, we're just waking this body up. All right, we're gonna do a few squats. All right, just opening up the legs, opening up your hips. Just a few squats, okay? And this is just a warm up. All right, just getting our hips open. All right, getting our lower body ready. All right, so now we're just gonna go from side to side, okay? All right, in a few seconds, we're gonna go ahead and start working out. All right, so the first exercise, all right, so we're gonna bring the knee up. All right, keep going. All right, you're gonna reach out, touch your toe. All right, knee to elbow. Keep that stomach sucked in. Make sure you're taking deep breaths. All right, and if you need to stop at any moment, please do. And just jump right back in. All right, kick your feet out. All right, now we're gonna bring the foot out, knee up to the side, all right? All right, it's a really good hip opener. All right, and squat. All right, push through. All right, after this, we're gonna go side to side, all right? 3, 2, all right, side to side. All right, so this is the time where you can just take some deep breath. Get some water if you need to. All right, now we're gonna do some reaching up with a little squat in between. Squat, reach up, squat. There you go. You got it. All right, push through. All right, now you're gonna touch the floor in the squat and come up. Down, up. There you go. All right, now you're gonna do a little jump squat, just a little slight jump. All right, now nice little cool down. We're gonna cha-cha. All right. Take deep breath. And blow it out your mouth. All right, again, if you need to stop at any moment, please do. All right, we're just having fun. All right, then we're gonna bring that knee back up. All right, and kick your feet out. Take deep breaths in while you're doing it, and out. Make sure you're breathing. All right, now we're just gonna put our hand behind our head and bring your arms out and in. All right, now we're gonna do some calf raises with the reach, all right? Calf, reach, calf, reach, all right? All right, let's get these calf muscles nice and toned. We all like toned calves. All right, and we're gonna go back to our cha-cha. This is when we're breathing. Break, water if you need to. Take your time. If you need to stop at any moment, please do. This is your time. This is your body. All right. All right, now we're going to raise our leg and tap our knee. All right, raise that leg as high as you can. Keep pushing through. Suck that stomach in. You got it. All right, now we're gonna bring our arms straight out. We're just gonna go up and down, like a nice steady pump. All right, we're gonna keep our arms straight and we're gonna go in and out, in, out, in, out, in. All right, back to the pump. All right, we're going back in and out. Let's get it. All right, this is gonna help your chest. We all like a good chest workout. All right, so now we're just going to reach. All right, not moving your lower body, just straight upper body. All right, so then we're going to bring our elbows up and out. All right. Out, in, out. Make sure you squeeze, stay tight. Keep your core tight, in and out. All right, back to the arms, straight out and pulse. All right, your arms are gonna get real tight, okay? But that's okay, we're gonna fight through it. All right, then we're going back in and out. In, out, in, out. All right, after this, we're gonna go ahead and do some squats. All right, some cha-chas. We got some jabbing coming up. All right, keep it going. All right, and squat in 5, 4, 3, 2, let's squat. There you go, you got it. Go as low as you can go, all right? Whatever's comfortable for you. Again, remember, this is for you, okay? Go at your own pace. All right, now we're gonna do some jabbing, all right? All right, and a slight squat, and you just pumping your arm, jabbing, jabbing. All right, you got a little bounce with it. All right, the squat is, you're in that squat. All right, keep going. 3, 2, all right, we're gonna cha-cha and rest that leg, okay? Resting that leg, all right? Give your leg a little break. All right, then we're gonna go into another like slight lunge, all right? All right. All right, and we just punching. All right, make sure you're twisting your upper body, keeping that core sucked in, all right? We're already 10 minutes in. You didn't even know it because you're having fun, so keep going. All right, so now we're gonna switch legs and we're still punching. All right, back in our squat. All right, and we're jabbing. All right, right after this, we're gonna rest these legs. We're gonna cha-cha. All right, in 3, 2, let's get it. This is the moment. Take a break. Get you some water if you need to. I'm gonna move this out of the way. All right, we're bringing our hands back and we're lifting our legs out. Keep that stomach sucked in. This is one of my favorite hip openers. All right, it's very important to keep that hip loose. All right, and then we're reaching. Make sure you twist at the top, keeping your stomach sucked in. All right, and we're twisting. Big twist this time. All right, make sure you pivot your foot as you turn, okay? Big twist. Stomach sucked in. Don't forget. All right, then we're going side to side. We're just resting. We almost done. You didn't even know it. All right, keep going. Push through. All right, and we're going to go back into some kicks. Hit that leg up. You got it. Keep going. All right, then we're going to go into a squat hold. In 3, 2, squat, and hold it. Hold it. Try to focus on something that's going to keep your mind off of the pain and get through it. All right, and we're going to come up and down. Up and down. Good job. There you go. All right, now we're going to bring the leg out, bending the leg. All right. Good job, good job. Right after this, we're going back into our calf raises. All right. 3, 2, all right, let's do it. All right, after this, we're gonna go right into the straight leg again, all right? All right, bringing our arms back out and pulsing. All right, so the last set of this. All right, then bring your arms straight ahead and pulse. All right, then we're gonna go into some light jabs. Ready? Let's go. Almost there. 4 minutes. 4 minutes is all we got left. Give it your all. Fight through. We're almost at the finish line. Keep going. All right, now we're gonna do a light jog, okay? Just a light jog. All right, then we're gonna speed it up a little bit. Come on, you got it. Speed it up a little bit more. You got it. All right, right after this, we're gonna do some jumping jacks. All right, in 3, 2, let's go. All right, we're gonna cool down and go side to side. We're almost there. All right, we're gonna start back running. So we're gonna go slow and then we're gonna speed up the tempo, okay? All right, we got 10 seconds. Take some deep breath, get some water if you need to, and we're gonna go ahead and start running. We got 5 seconds. All right, 3, 2, all right. Light jog. All right, speed it up just a little bit. All right, speed it up a little bit more. All right, we're gonna cha-cha. There you go. All right, so now we're down to 2 minutes, so we're gonna start cooling down. All right, let's start back reaching side to side. Hope you guys enjoyed this workout today. I know I did. 25 minutes, 20 minutes tops is really all you need to get your body going, staying motivated, just doing a routine, something that's just gonna, get some good habits, changing your habits. That's what it's about. Moving your body. All right, and we're gonna go side to side. All right, and for the last pump, all right, we're gonna go into some squats and we're gonna touch the floor. All right, in 3, 2, let's get it. All right, it's gonna be our last pump. We're gonna keep going. Give it all you got. All right, now I'm gonna jump, slight jump. Almost there. All right, let's cool down. Good job. You completed another workout. You should be very, very proud of yourself. I'm proud of you, so I know you should be proud of yourself as well. And I will see you guys on the next workout. Enjoy your day. Make sure, don't forget, click the link below, all right? I got 8 juices that I juice faithfully. It helped me lose 50 to 60 pounds, and I kept it off. So I'll see you guys on the next workout.